Assalamu alaikum and welcome to the famous student platform FSP. This is a question booklet for grade 7 and 8 for the year 2023. Alright, you have to read the information that is given below for the question number 1 and 2, and then you have to see which maximum depth does orange light penetrate to. You have to look into this and you have to see the correct option, and that is 30 meter, as you can see in the picture. Question number 2. 4 multicolored balls were dropped at the same time into the green coastal water. The balls were the same size and sank at the same speed. So, which ball would definitely last to appear totally grey or black? So, the correct option is option number B. Next question is, the photograph shows a larval fish being measured with a centimeter rule. As you can see in the picture, what is the diameter of that fish's eye? Can you see? That is 2 millimeter. Yes, 2 millimeter, not the centimeter, it's the millimeter. Next, part of an orchid flower are shown below, and you have to see the name of the part that is labeled X in the photograph of the orchid shown below. For that, question number 4, you have the primary colors of light are blue, red and green. The diagram shows the colors created by mixing different colored light. Now you are seeing the spotlight, and then they have the circle of light. Which 3 colors of light can be mixed to create the white light? Now you have to give the answer that which 3 colors. You should be knowing this, that which 3 colors are involved in this. Alright, for this question number 5, answer for this is D option, turquoise, purple and yellow. Next question number 6, the table gives some information about the chemicals in a cleaner. Now you have to go through this table. Then there are 3 types of the chemical. There are sodium compounds, and what is a common use of these components basic. So answer to this question is option number D. Now next question, read the information below this for 7 and 8. Then you have to answer which statement is supported by Yazan's experiment. For that, answer number B is correct. The sound travel more quickly. Obviously, sound will travel more quickly through sea water than the fresh water. Question number 8, what is the speed of sound in the fresh water? Now this is option number D, 0.67. Next question number 9 and 10. For that, you have to go through this diagram, observe this diagram very minutely. Question number 9 is, which feature of an anvil-shaped supercell thunderstorm is the most obvious indicator of the direction in which the storm is traveling? For that, option number D is correct, the direction in which the forward plane develops. Alright. Okay, yes, option number D, the direction in which the forward plane develops. Okay. Next, question number 10. The speed of light is approximately like this, and then the speed of sound is this. And now you have to tell that after 2 seconds how the Omar saw a flash of lightning, and then how far the thunderstorm was from Omar. You have to observe this thing. So option number B, 6.8 kilometer is the correct answer. Question number 11, go through this table and you will observe that the table below describe different storage conditions. Which vegetable had the shortest storage time under the optimal conditions? For that, question number 11, option number D is correct, brinjal. Question number 2, again go through the table, okay, and then what hair would be found in human body at the birth time? For that, option number D is correct, fine hair with no pigment all over the body and coarse dark. For the question number 13 and 14, you have to go through this diagram and read the comprehension to get the correct answer for this. Now different static electricity are given and you have to observe this. Alright. For the question number 13, you have to see what caused the rubber balloon to lose some of its electrons. For that, option number B is correct, being attracted by a plastic rod and the path to earth provided by the finger. Question number 14, the diagram below the diagram below show 4 balloons before and after they were given to a static electric charge, and balloon 2 has a positive charge. For that, which balloon has a negative charge, you have to tell with this answer. Option number D, none of the balloon will have the negative charge. Again, question number 15 and 16, you have to go through this diagram, this graph, and then you have to go through the table. After this, answer this question of question number 15. How long could a person with the skin that nerve tans remain in the sun at midday of this day before sustaining skin damage? For that, question number 15, C option is correct. It's 8 to 5 minutes. Now you have to see the table for that answer. Question number 16, which factor listed below would not affect the UV index value? For that, option number D, the position of the sun should be in the sky. That is the correct option. Question number 17, the photograph showed 3 gears, now X, Y, Z, and which gear X rotates into the clockwise direction and the gear Z will rotate. Now you have to be very sharp regarding this question. It's very easy. That is just that it will move clockwise slower than the gear X. Okay, question number 18, if the substance is present in soil, the toxic level, plants will not grow. For that, the chemical manganese is which one? There is a toxic level. It could be toxic level in highly acidic soils. Question number 19. The photograph of Earth was taken by the Apollo astronauts in July 1969. It shows the Earth as it rose into the sky above the surface of the moon. And which statement would be the most likely explanation for the only part of the Earth being visible? For that, option D, only part of the Earth's surface that faces the moon was lit by the sun. Obviously, that is just the part that is not covered by the moon, and it is obvious to the moon. Question number 20, there is a diagram, you have to go through it, and then you have to tell that the speed of the Earth is greater as it travels from waste to waste place. It is P7 to P8 place. Question number 21, you have to go through these two tables and you have to tell the meaning of FX8 at the end of each component name. The compound contains which thing? It contains oxygen, that is why it is given the name. Question number 22, in a dry riverbed, a geologist drilled through layers of rock as shown in the diagram below. Why did geologists drill more than one hole? For that, option number 22, D option is correct. The geologist wanted to ensure that he had a representative sample of the riverbed. Moving toward the next graph, question number 23. Now you have to go through and which mass extinction even caused the extinction of the dinosaurs. You have to tell this question. And the correct option for this is 5. You can see the 5 one. Through this you can tell. Okay. Next, question number 24. Now it's given over here. Shazia wanted to know a change in atmospheric pressure. Okay, now a jar is given, a scale is given over here, and you have to give the answer. Alright. So in making this decision, Shazia assumed that the change in atmospheric pressure would. Which option is correct? For that, option number D is correct. Change the volume of air in the jars. Even then, you can have the different atmospheric pressure. Alright. Question number 25. In a group activity, Isha wanted to know what affects the rate at the water puddles evaporate. Now you have to see which could Isha conclude from her investigations. After reading the whole passage, you will get to know the answer, and this is option number B. The greater the surface area of the puddle, the faster the water evaporated. Alright, next. Question number 26. Now, an object of mass is 10 kg. What is the difference in the weight on the moon compared to its weight at the sea level on earth? For that, you can see that this is 82 kg. Option number C. Alright. Now read the information for question number 27 and 28. Alright. Question number 27. At what speed is the ship with the radar moving north? Option number C, 22, because here you can see in the picture. Alright. Question number 28. Which vessel is stationary and which vessel is moving fastest? Option number D, Z and X. Next question. Question number 29. A molecule is the smallest part. We know this, and then they are having the different photographs that is showing a model of chloroform. Now you have to go through this and you have to see which option is correct, and that is D option. Alright. Then we have question number 30. A stand set up an investigation to show that the fish exhaled carbon dioxide. Then we are having two different test tubes, test tube X and test tube Y. Now you have to go through this assumption and what was his purpose. And for that, question number 30, B answer is correct. That is exhaled at carbon dioxide, and option number B is correct. Thank you so much for watching the video.